Hi guys, thanks for clicking on the video today. My name is Maria and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is going to be really quick. This is from Danessa Myricks. It's just a black packaging. But I recently purchased a couple of Danessa Myricks Colorfix pigments and I wanted to just share with you guys what I purchased. If you watched my last video, you saw that I reviewed her balm powder, and I did use a Colorfix. I used this plum wine Colorfix. That was my first time using any of Danessa Myricks products. This is what the packaging looks like on the Colorfix. This is plum wine. But I really was so impressed that I went ahead and I bought a couple more of the Colorfix pigments. So I just wanted to share with you guys. So I'm going to put them all out, all of the new ones that I purchased. So I have 5 here. But before I go ahead and show you these, I want to show you what else came in this bag. Now I'm showing you the back side because the front side has my address. So before we get into that, there is a sample of Danessa Myricks beauty oil. So this is what it looks like. And then you can tear. So this is the beauty oil. And if you follow Danessa Myricks, especially on Instagram, when she does her her tutorials or her Makeup Tuesdays, she usually starts out all of her looks with this oil all over the face as part of the skincare. So I'm really excited to try this out. So I will be trying that out. So there's some other promotional items in here. She has some information about the balm powder. This is the back of it, so you can get a little bit more education on the balm powder and how to use it. Same thing, information on her balm contour and how to use it. Just a lot of educational information. This is a thank you card. So there's a card in here, like a thank you card, and has writing on the back. And it says, "Hello, beautiful. We are so grateful for your loyalty to our brand. I want to thank you for supporting my dreams. When I started this brand, it was only a vision to have customers like myself or like yourself. You mean so much to me, so I wanted to gift you something special to remind you of your magic. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Danessa." That's really cute. So I guess that's the beauty oil is the gift. But yeah, more information about the Colorfix line, and it comes in different formulas. There's mattes, metallics, foils, nudes, and glaze. And then on the back, she has some really nice photos or pictures or artwork showing you the different ways these pigments can be used. Now, this is what I was really excited about. This is so nice. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Without Boundaries. And this is a nice, thick magazine. So it has all of these nice pictures in here for inspiration on how to use the Colorfix, the many things you can do with these. It's just, it's really, really, really nice. And I can't wait to pull some inspiration from this magazine. This is really nice, really nice. All right, guys, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to pick up the first one. The first one is Royalty. Now, as you can see, I have opened this up. I will admit that I did swatch this one the other day because I was just so curious. I wanted to use something purple, and I just wanted to see what this one. I have not used it. I just opened it up and swatched it myself. So this is Royalty. And let's just swatch. I'm going to swatch these on the back of my hand just to give you an idea. So I use just a little bit, and then we can. So it's kind of hard to swatch because the more you use, the deeper the color gets. So it may start out light, but then it gets deeper in this plastic. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take the plastic off. This is the shade Cobalt. This is a pretty blue. And if you know me, I love a good blue. This is Cobalt. Really pretty. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. So that is Cobalt. Again, gets deeper the more you use it. And I'm just going to be taking the plastic off. So our next color is Bloom. Bloom. This looks like it may be a really nice red. Oh. So this is Bloom. This is Bloom. So that is Bloom. So next we have Valentine. Valentine. This is Valentine. It's like a really nice pink. This is Valentine. Really pretty pink. So that's Valentine. All right, guys, so I almost forgot I had this, another color. This is the Primary Yellow. And this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. A very bright yellow, and as you can see, I like yellow too, so I can't wait to try this one out. And then the last one, this is part of her nudes collection. And the nudes are supposed to be complexion-based pigments. So they're made to match your complexion. And if you ever notice, she likes to do that monochromatic look where the eyeshadow is like a brown and then the brown lip. So that is monochromatic, isn't it? I like that look, so that's why I wanted to pick up one of the nudes. I wanted to try that out. And this is Nude 10. Nude 10, I felt like it would be close to my complexion. Ooh. So this is Nude 10. That is not my complexion. That is a little bit darker, but it's still, it's made to, like, you know, for your eyeshadow, for a lip, it would be a good lipstick, or a lip liner, eyeliner. So that's what I would be using this Nude 10 for. All right, so those are my swatches. So this is the, you know, a makeup palette, or is that what you call them? This is the palette. Your thumb or your finger can go through here, where you can hold it. Y'all, I'm not sure how to use it just yet, but I will be using this. And it also comes with a spatula or a tool where you can, you know, apply. You can mix the pigment, mix the colors together, apply to the face. And if, like I said, if you watched any of her tutorials, you see that she uses this. And so I went ahead and purchased it. Anyway, so those are my pigments that I picked up from Miss Danessa Myricks. I'm really excited to start using them and just start playing with some color. That's what I want to do this year, is get more into color and experimenting with my makeup. I do like an everyday makeup look, and that's one of the reasons I was so intimidated about using Danessa Myrick's products, because her products seems like you would have to have some level of skill to use them. And everything, to me, everything she does seems to be so artistic and so over the top, so editorial. And I didn't know how I would make that work in everyday. But I have to admit, my everyday, I like color in my everyday, from the way I dress, if I'm going to put on makeup, to like whatever purse I'm going to be carrying. I do like to have a pop of color. So that's why I'm so interested in the Danessa Myricks brand. And like I said, I used to paint. I have not painted in a while, but I do appreciate good artwork, and I just feel like this is a way for me to get back into it, using my face as a canvas. And yeah, so that's what we're going to be playing with throughout the year. Y'all, this alone is so amazing to me, this little magazine. So I just can't wait to just pull from that. All right, that's it. Just a quick little unboxing of her products. All of the pigments have dried down, so you can get a better look at what they would look like. I did wipe this one, this royalty. I wiped it a little bit, but they've dried down, so you can kind of see a little bit better what they would look like. But anyway, guys, that's it. Just stay tuned for the next video. And if you have any questions about the look I have on my face now, I just finished doing a video with this look, so I don't know if I'm going to be posting it before or after this video. I don't know, but if you're curious and you just want to know, there's a video for it. All right, then. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video. You can even hit the dislike button if you dislike it. But go ahead and leave a comment either way. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come back for the next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.